Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix not being able to log into your Peloton app. So let's get started. The first solution you can try is to resetting your Wi-Fi. To do that, just open up your settings. Now turn on the airplane mode and turn it off to reset your network. And in case if you're using mobile data, switch it to your Wi-Fi and vice versa. Now the second solution you can try is to update your app. To do that, open up the App Store and search for Peloton. And now on the right hand side, if you see update, that means you have to update your app. Now the third solution you can try is to clear the cache of your app. For that, open up your settings, scroll down, and now click on General. Now you'll see an option that says iPhone storage. Click on it. Now from here, scroll down and find your Peloton app. Now here you'll see the option of offload app. Just click it. Now this will clear the cache of your app. Now the option will be changed to reinstall app. Just click on it and now your problem will be solved. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.